Hey beautiful people! You are welcome to this channel. Today I'm showing you how to transform your hair with Leaf and Nectar Natural Henna Powder. It's 100% pure and organic, perfect for a healthy, shiny hair. First, let's talk how to use the Leaf and Nectar Natural Henna Powder. Step 1. Mix the powder. Take the required amount of henna powder in a bowl, preferably a non-metallic bowl, viz. Plastic, glass, or ceramic, etc. Then add warm water and stir until you get smooth paste. Step 2. Rest the powder. Allow it to sit for 2 to 3 hours to release the natural dye. Step 3. Apply evenly. First, make sure your hair is oil-free, clean, and dry. Then apply the paste from roots to tips of your hair. Make sure every strand is coated. Use gloves or a brush to apply the paste. Step 4. Leave for 2 to 3 hours. Let it dry completely for the best color. Step 5. Rinse with water. Wash thoroughly with plain water without using shampoo and enjoy naturally colored hair. You'll notice your hair not only has a beautiful, rich color, but also feels thicker and healthier. Following each step perfectly is very important. Enriched with natural nutrients, henna deeply nourishes the scalp, strengthening roots and promoting faster hair growth. Reduces hair fall, strengthens follicles, minimizing breakage and preventing hair thinning for thicker, healthier locks. Works as a natural conditioner, leaving hair silky smooth, soft, and shiny with every application. Effectively removes excess oil and dirt while soothing the scalp, preventing dandruff and irritation. 100% natural hair dye provides rich natural color without chemicals, safe, effective, and gentle for all hair types. Premium quality and chemical-free, made from finely sifted 100% pure henna leaves, free from additives, chemicals, and preservatives. Friends, let me remind you once again to follow all steps correctly while applying this Leaf and Nectar Natural Henna Powder. And hey, don't forget to check the video description for the link to buy at the best price. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Drop your comments below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing hair care tips. Please remember that the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. You must consult with a dermatologist for personalized recommendations. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. See you in the next video.